Jack&King's dried mountain jelly vegetable, with its unique aroma and high quality, has conquered the taste buds of countless food enthusiasts. Its crisp texture, reminiscent of sea cucumber, is rich in vitamin E, making it highly valuable for consumption. Mountain jelly vegetable has a long history in China, with over 2,000 years of culinary tradition. Due to its annual tribute, it is known as tribute vegetable and is a pure, natural, and high-grade dehydrated vegetable. Jack&King's mountain jelly vegetable is made from carefully selected mountain jelly vegetable, meticulously hand-peeled, and manually removed of aged skin, sliced, air-dried naturally, and hand-cut into segments. It takes about 30 pounds of raw kelp to produce only 1 pound of finished product. The product contains no artificial colorings, with a light green color. Cooking is extremely simple. No need to thaw. After cleaning, simply add it to boiling soup broth and cook for about 1 minute, or soak it for 10 minutes for cold salad or stir-frying. With its crisp texture and refreshing aroma, mountain jelly vegetable leaves a lasting impression, enhancing appetite. It is not only renowned in the local market but also exported overseas, receiving unanimous praise from international food connoisseurs. Tasting a piece of mountain jelly vegetable is not just about enjoying food, but also experiencing the gifts of nature and the joys of a healthy lifestyle. Jack&King's, a taste of China anytime, anywhere.